Acura RDX is agile and quick, with strong V6 power, yet it rides smoothly and is practical, a good combination for a premium compact crossover SUV. Redesigned for the 2013 model year, the RDX gained a V6 engine to replace the original Turbo 4. Freshening for 2016 brought new features and styling touch-ups. Nothing has changed for the 2017 model year, apart from several new body colors. Overall, styling is sleek, with an attractive profile and pronounced fender arches. Headlights consist of a row of 5 LEDs. The front end is still a bit odd, but not quite as beak-like as previous versions. The 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 279 horsepower and 252 pound-feet of torque. Sharing its basic structure with the Honda CR-V, the RDX is considered compact by the EPA's definition. Adults sitting in the second row are likely to agree on its compact status. In terms of safety, the RDX has been among the best-performing models in its class, offering laudable occupant protection. A rear-view camera is standard. Although the basic RDX is equipped reasonably well, many prominent technical features are missing. The AcuraWatch Plus package adds active safety features, including collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, as well as a color multi-information display. Crash test ratings by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety have included top good scores in all categories, with the Top Safety Pick Plus award. The S-rated Acura's forward collision warning system superior in frontal crash prevention. That system is particularly sensitive to potential dangers, tending to issue annoying warnings. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration gave RDX 5 stars overall, and the same number for frontal and side impact protection. The 4-star rollover rating is common for many SUVs.